severe thunderstorm warning for Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois until 4:45 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Whiteside County Fairgrounds, or over Morrison, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Malvern around 4 p.m. Emerson, White Pigeon, Agnew, Galt, and Como around 4:05 p.m. Rock Falls, Coletta, Grimes Addition, and Douglas Park around 4:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Sterling and Penrose. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois.